What if I told you there's an invisible force flowing through your veins right now? Not blood, not electricity, but something far more powerful. Ancient Chinese masters called it Qi, Hindu yogis named it Prana. The alchemists of old Europe referred to it as the astral light. Modern science might call it bioelectricity or quantum energy fields. But no matter what you call it, this energy is the very fabric of your being. Think about the last time you walked into a room and felt the tension. That's energy. When you get goosebumps for no reason, that's energy. That sudden burst of inspiration that comes from nowhere? Energy. The magnetic pull you feel towards certain people? Energy. You're already experiencing it every day, you just haven't learned to control it yet. The greatest secret of esoteric traditions worldwide isn't some complicated ritual, it's this simple truth. You are a walking, talking energy vortex. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, every breath you take is either amplifying or draining this vital force. And right now, unless you've been specifically trained, you're probably leaking energy like a sieve. But here's what's exciting: you're about to learn how to plug those leaks, amplify your flow, and direct this power with laser precision. We'll draw from the 5,000-year-old Qigong traditions of China, the Hermetic secrets of ancient Egypt, modern biofield science, the little-known energy techniques of European alchemists. This isn't theoretical. Within the next 10 minutes, you'll do simple exercises that will let you physically feel this energy for the first time. No beliefs required, just your willingness to experiment. The secret force inside you. Let's dive deeper into what this energy actually is. Modern physics tells us everything is energy vibrating at different frequencies. The chair you're sitting on, the air you breathe, even your physical body. But there's a special quality to the energy that animates living beings, what the Chinese call Shin, meaning spirit energy. Franz Bardon, one of the most practical occultists of the 20th century, broke this down into 3 levels in Initiation into Hermetics. Physical energy, the baseline vitality that keeps your body functioning. Astral energy, the emotional and psychic fuel behind your feelings. Mental energy, the pure creative power of your thoughts. Here's the revolutionary insight. These aren't separate energies, but different octaves of the same fundamental force. Like water existing as ice, liquid, and steam, your vital energy manifests in these 3 forms. The Taoists map this beautifully in their 3 treasures concept. Jing, physical/essence. Qi, vital/emotional. Shin, spiritual/mental. When these 3 are in harmony, you experience boundless physical stamina, emotional resilience, mental clarity, or what mystics call the flow state. But when they're out of balance, that's when you get chronic fatigue, Jing deficiency, a mood swings, Qi imbalance, a brain fog, Shin disturbance. The good news? You can rebalance these energies through simple practices. For example, slow, deep breathing harmonizes all 3 levels. Certain postures, like the Wuji stance in Qigong, naturally align them. Specific visualization techniques can tune them, like adjusting radio frequencies. The Qigong secret. Now let's explore why Qigong has been the go-to energy mastery system for millennia. Unlike complicated rituals, Qigong works with your body's natural energy circuitry. Those meridians we mentioned earlier? Modern science is actually confirming their existence through thermal imaging and electrical measurements. A groundbreaking 2016 study published in the Journal of Acupuncture and Meridian Studies used infrared imaging to show temperature changes exactly along classical meridian pathways during Qigong practice. This wasn't subtle, we're talking 2 to 3 degrees Celsius differences. The meridians function like energy highways, main meridians, local roads, collaterals, energy reservoirs, the extraordinary vessels. But here's what most Qigong teachers won't tell you. These pathways aren't fixed like anatomy textbook diagrams. They're living, dynamic networks that respond to your emotional state, the seasons, even the time of day. The liver meridian, for instance, is most active between 1 to 3 a.m., which explains why anger and frustration often surface at night. The lung meridian peaks at 3 to 5 a.m., when many spiritual traditions do their most powerful practices. Some advanced Qigong techniques take this further. Microcosmic orbit circulation, cycling energy up the spine and down the front. Bone marrow washing, a method to energize deep tissues. Fusion of the 5 elements, balancing organ energies. But you don't need advanced techniques to start feeling results. Even basic standing meditation, Zhuang, can produce measurable energy flow within weeks. A 2018 UCLA study found just 8 weeks of Qigong practice led to 23% increase in alpha brain waves, calm focus, 18% improvement in heart rate variability, significant reductions in inflammatory markers. 3 simple practices. Let's upgrade those initial practices with professional-level nuances most beginners never learn. The advanced body scan. Don't just passively feel, actively direct energy. Imagine inhaling golden light into each body part. Exhale gray stagnant energy out through your pores. Spend extra time on energy hubs, palms, soles, navel. Try tapping areas that feel numb. This breaks up blockages. Breath mastery secrets. Beyond basic abdominal breathing. Add a slight pause after inhale, charges energy. Imagine breathing through different body parts. Try reverse breathing, contracting abdomen on inhale. Experiment with different ratios, 4-7-8 breathing. Next level palm energy. Once you feel basic tingling, try pushing energy between palms without moving. Visualize different colors, red for heat, blue for cool. Practice energy ball compression/expansion. Test it on others. Many can feel your energy field. Emotion-energy connection. Modern research is now proving what mystics knew: emotions have distinct energetic signatures. HeartMath Institute studies show love/heart coherence creates smooth, harmonious waveforms. Anger produces chaotic, jagged electrical patterns. In energy terms, positive emotions expand your field, measured up to 3 feet beyond body. Negative emotions constrict it, sometimes collapsing inward. Here's the game-changing realization. You don't have to get rid of negative emotions, you can transform them alchemically. Acknowledge the feeling physically. Where do I feel this in my body? Breathe into that area, literally oxygenate the tension. Visualize the emotion changing form, anger, red, pink, white light. Taoist inner smile practice takes this further, smiling internally to each organ to transform its emotional charge. Studies show this can lower cortisol by 27%, increase DHEA anti-aging hormone by 23%, boost IgA immune marker by 18%. Intention and focus. Quantum physics experiments, like the double-slit experiment, suggest consciousness affects reality. In energy terms, your focused intention acts like a laser beam concentrating diffuse energy. Advanced practitioners use seed syllables, bija mantras, to crystallize intention, mudras, hand positions, to circuit energy, gazing techniques to project energy. Energy signatures, unique vibrational imprints. A little-known secret from ceremonial magic: the most powerful intentions combine clear mental image, emotional charge, physical sensation, timeless awareness, not attached to when it manifests. Try this master-level intention setting. Formulate your desire in present tense, I am. Feel the emotion of already having it. Locate where you feel this in your body. Imagine this sensation expanding to fill your entire energy field. Release it completely. Paradoxically, attachment weakens the effect. Conclusion. Remember, energy mastery isn't about perfection. Even doing these practices just 20% correctly will yield 80% of benefits. The key is consistency over intensity. Start small. 2 minutes of energy awareness upon waking. A 1 conscious breath before meals. 30 seconds of palm energy before sleep. Track your progress. Energy diary. Rate your vitality 1 to 10 daily. Notice synchronicities, signs energy is flowing. Pay attention to how others respond to you. Advanced practitioners report these milestones. A month 1, tingling sensations, better sleep. A month 3, increased intuition, emotional balance. Year 1, noticeable energy presence, others feel. Year 3, conscious manifestation abilities. But here's the most important thing, this isn't some abstract spiritual pursuit. Energy mastery gives you practical advantages. Quicker recovery from stress. Enhanced mental performance. Magnetic personal presence. Faster skill acquisition. Deeper, more restful sleep. The energy is waiting. The tools are in your hands. Now, will you take that first step today? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications, you won't want to miss what's coming next. And leave a comment below. What was the first moment you truly felt your energy? Your story might inspire others on their path.